Namaskar, I am Prakash, astrologer, presenting you weekly horoscope. We commencing 4th of January till 10th of January, the first week of January 2021. For all of you, 4th January till 10th of January 2021, the weekly horoscope for all of you, based on your moon sign, based on your Lagna sign, based on your rising sign, based on your ascendant sign. So you can take it in both ways. Aries weekly preview for all of you. You'll be able to achieve rise in status, prestige and honor. You'll be in contact with professional people, decision maker. You'll come across lots of financial opportunities, professional opportunities. You'll come across lots of complicated situations which you need to deal with patience, determination, discipline. And there will be a flow of income, but you have to cultivate your flow of income. And there will be a lot of issues regarding relationship or health. But act with tact, refrain from foul temper, control your behavior, aggression, please. Taurus weekly brief forecast. In this coming week, you'll come across lots of aggression, overexcitation, fruitless running around. You'll go through a lot of insecurity, fear, tension. Change of place will be there. Living conflict and arguments will be there. People can test your fiber. Refrain from arrogance. Refrain from stubborn attitude. You'll invite a lot of arguments if you exercise arrogance and stubborn attitude. You'll enjoy comfort of your property and car and comforts, the luxuries, the lifestyle. But beware of an accident. Refrain from rash driving. Refrain from fruitless expenditure. And you have to act with tact. But one thing is very clear, if you are determined, disciplined, driven, but no arrogance, then you'll be fine. Achieve your success. Gemini weekly brief forecast. In this coming week, you come across lots of financial gain, prosperous opportunities, unique opportunities, prosperities. Your circumstances will improve, Gemini. But be focused. Concentrate what you want to achieve. You'll involve a new project, new ventures, new ideas. You involve a lot of happy occasion. A lot of opportunities will be there. You're mingling with a lot of people. Your health had to need a proper care. And refrain from lack of sleep. And stop winding up yourself in any negative way. Stop daydreaming. Be more practical, please. As long as your feet are on the ground, you'll be fine. You have a lot of secret tensions and restlessness. Sometimes you like to share with people, sometimes you don't. But as long as you implement practicality, then you will be fine. Cancer weekly free forecast. In this coming week, you'll come across lots of obstacles, delays, waste of time, family tensions, complications, running around, hassles. Everybody will test your fiber, your patience, your tolerance. But at the same time, with your determination, discipline, drive, you'll come across lots of resources, lots of unique financial, professional opportunities. There will be a professional opportunity by which you can, if you acquire the opportunity, you have to leave your comfort zone. There might be a change of place. Stand by for that. You might involve in a dealing of buying or selling a car or buying or selling a property. That deal is coming toward you. Stand by. Leo weekly brief forecast. This particular week, the brief forecast. In this coming week, you'll be very busy. Overexcited. You'll come across lots of financial professional opportunities. Involved in a new project, new planning, new ventures. There'll be a rise in personal comfort. And there will be a lot of affection, care and passion in your personal life. You'll come across a lot of sudden financial opportunities, sudden professional opportunities. But those opportunities can come from abroad. Try to avoid any unnecessary traveling. If you haven't planned in the past, you only travel if you have to, if you must. You'll involve a lot of social events, mingling with people. But most people are from abroad and you can come across a lot of dignified opportunities from abroad. Virgo weekly brief forecast in this coming week. This coming week you'll be very busy. You come across lots of financial gain opportunities. You come across a lot of new, or may I say few unexpected expenditures. Health-wise, take care of yourself. Beware of domestic complications. Issues like living arguments, conflict, linked with partnership. And sometimes unnecessary debates are there. Please beware of an accident. This coming week, you have to be extra careful what you want to achieve. You have to plan ahead what you want, what you're seeking for. And refrain from any unnecessary domestic row, please. Libra, in this coming week, you'll come across lots of professional financial opportunities. You come across lots of family occasions, happy occasions. By the weekend, you'll come across many challenges and complications. Your expenditure will be on luxuries, lifestyle. Health-wise, take care of your lower abdomen. Lots of secret tensions and insecurities will be there. Sometimes you like to share with somebody, sometimes you don't. But refrain from any argument or conflict linked with personal life. Refrain from any scandalous situation which you are involved in and which you can't justify. There will be fruitless running around and family difference opinion and clashes with your own people. And last thing, you need a living conflict in your personal life. So avoid that. Scorpio weekly brief forecast. In this coming week, you come across new project, new ventures, new planning. There will be a rise in status, prestige and honor. Be prepared for traveling. You'll be in contact with a lot of professional decision makers, people who can offer you unique opportunities. Your knowledgeability skill will be recognized and appreciated by professional people, and people are impressed with your knowledgeability skill set. You have to deal with personal and professional arguments, conflicts. Sometimes there's ego clashes, and due to that you'll have a lot of disputes. More you become aggressive, more you become mad, more you will be able to ruin things which you shouldn't be. You have to step back from madness, from aggressive approach. You have to take a review of yourself. Where you're going, what you're doing. Be careful. Sagittarius weekly brief forecast. In this coming week, your struggle will convert into sweet success. As long as you act with tact, your struggle will convert into prosperities. Your expenditure will be on your comfort, luxuries, lifestyle. With the help of a professional friend, you'll be able to resolve one of your major complicated tasks. Kindly do take care of your family health and well-being. Your business needs some sort of investment or support or guidance or change. You have to do that. You have lots of new plannings, new ideas, new visions, but somebody have to invest time to materialize those. You have to act with tact. Capricorn weekly brief forecast. In this coming week, due to your rival, you come across lots of opposition, backstabbings, obstacles, delays, waste of time, complication, unnecessary hassles. So keep a close eye on your rivals. With the help of a professional friend, you'll be able to sort out your complex problems. Your own family support will be there for you and stand by you. And your own family support will be there as a backbone. You come across lots of secret tensions and sometimes a lot of fruitless expenditure which you don't want to share with anybody. So be careful. Aquarius brief weekly forecast. In this coming week, you come across sudden expenditures, hell of a tension and sometimes a lot of uncertainties. With the help of a foreign people, you come across very unique opportunities, opening new doors for you. You'll make a lot of plans to go abroad. Sometimes you end up wasting a lot of time, precious time, in fruitless events, fruitless activities. You go through few complicated situations which can make you very restless. So be careful what you want to achieve, what you want to do. Spice's weekly brief forecast this coming week. You come across lots of financial opportunities, professional opportunities. You go through lots of professional ups and downs. There will be quite a few family relationship arguments, conflicts, difference of opinion. There will be change of place, and refrain from aggressive clashes with your own people. Refrain from unnecessary hassles. You have to be very careful about your decision, choices you're making, or investment you're doing. Be careful. And sometimes you can be in an awkward situation, but you have to take a review of yourself before you make a final decision. Don't be hasty, please. For more thorough weekly horoscope report and moon transits effect for this coming week, that kind of information, solution for this week, task, precaution, chanting of this week, please get the full weekly horoscope report from my website. Visit my website prakashastrologer.com and acquire the full weekly horoscope report and implement it and achieve your best.